our YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we will see how to fix squad stuck on loading screen. So guys, if your squad came stuck on loading screen, we have few fixes that you can try to get your problem resolved. So guys, first of all, simply make sure your all the graphic drivers are up to date, because outdated drivers also lead to the performance issue. Okay, so ensure your graphic drivers are all up to date. If you are using NVIDIA graphic drivers, here you can look for any updates that are available, and if there are any updates, make sure you install them. And guys, this is for AMD GPUs. If you are using the AMD driver, here is the AMD. Okay, you can also look here for any updates or the latest graphic drivers, and if there are, install them also. And this is for Intel GPUs. Okay, so here also you can also get this tool. It will automatically update your drivers and softwares. Okay, so you don't have to worry about installing them every now and then. After this guys, install DirectX latest download the latest version of DirectX from the Microsoft Download Center. This is the official website of Microsoft Download Center. From here you can look for any updates that are available and also check your version, and make sure that you have the +latest one. Okay, and then follow the installation instructions to update DirectX on your system. After this guys, install Visual C++ Redistributables. Visit the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable page and then download and install the latest supported version for your system architecture. This is the official website. Here you can look for the latest drivers. Okay, make sure you have the latest one. You can simply download and install it from here. And then guys, verify your game files. Open Steam and navigate to your library, and in there right click on squad and select properties. Go to the local file tab and click on verify integrity of game files. This will simply verify your game file. After this guys, run the game as administrator. Navigate to the installation folder of squad and then right click on the game's executable file and select properties. After this, go to compatibility tab and check run this program as an administrator. Okay, once you check that box, click apply and then OK. And then guys, step 6 is check system requirements. Make sure you complete all the requirements that are needed, such as OS should be Windows 10 and it has 64 bits. The processor should be Intel Core i or AMD Ryzen with 4 physical cores. Memory should be at least 8 GB RAM, and graphics, if NVIDIA, it should be GTX 770 or AMD Radeon HD 7970 with an at least 4 GB VRAM, and your DirectX version should be at least 11, and the storage available space is 55 GB. So guys, this is all. I hope this video helps you to get your problem resolved of loading screen. Thanks for watching.